Alright guys, we're here in June, finally getting the May loot crate. I wasn't able to make the one for last month's because I was actually pretty busy and they were like 3 weeks late, so. This is my little brother, Nathan Xavier Sanchez.
Are you gonna say my full name? Look, now they're gonna search me up, look at that.
He's not even famous on YouTube, so you don't gotta worry about it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's the unboxing. He's gonna do it with me. We'll just see what we get.
I've never opened one of these.
He's never opened one, so. He's still a virgin of loot crates.
I'm about to pop my cherry.
Okay, here we go. Alright. The theme is Nemesis for May 2019. Nemesis, alright? Let's go ahead and grab the... oh, you know what? They didn't give us a shirt this time like they always do.
You get a shirt?
That's the first. They always give us shirts, so I don't know what happened. Oh, well, that's pretty tight pin, bro. I don't know. I think the Ghostbusters.
Yeah, the new movie, bro.
See that? It's the Ghostbusters pin. It's a pretty cool pin. I actually do like this one. I like Ghostbusters, so who doesn't? We got actually two books here. These are called Superheroes and Supervillains.
Those are tight books, though.
I don't know what's inside yet. Here, brother, you're the villain usually, so you can go and get that one. Let's see what's inside.
Nice.
Oh, they're like comics. I think it's like the history of comic books.
Yeah,
these are actually really nice.
Explains each villain or whatever.
These are pretty nice. I like these. I read these. This is probably the only book I'm going to read this summer. That's fine. Let him borrow when we're done. Ghostbuster slimed figure. Okay? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what we're going to get. This is 17 plus, so it's an adult collectible. Oh, yeah, he's 17. He barely made it. Just turned 17. He's a little baby stuff. I know you grow a beard and I can't. It sucks. That's what happens with genetics. Alright. Hey, it's,
I don't know what that is.
Venkman. That's pretty cool, actually. I'm definitely gonna put him up. I like Ghostbusters.
Do you take him out or you leave him like that?
Well, I don't take him out right now, but because then you gotta set him up. I don't want to set him up yet, but that's what it looks like. I'm being lazy. It's fine. Who's the ghost guy behind him? I forgot. It's been a while.
Yeah,
Brother's never seen them, so he wouldn't even know.
I seen him like.
Alright, buddy, go ahead and grab the last one. What's the last one?
It says the Jaws drain stopper. You put it in your shower, probably, right?
No. This is adult collectible, not a toy. I'm gonna put this in my shower.
It says drain stopper.
That's the box. It actually does look like the old school one. So let's go ahead and open her up, see what it is. You wanna do the arms? Go ahead, do the arms.
Yeah, totally. Look at this. Look at that.
What is it?
It's like a little shark, and then I can't even see.
Bro, this is tight. Oh, it's a drain stopper.
That's what it says in the box.
Well, brother, that's why I didn't go to college. Okay, I can't read.
You can't read, I guess.
That's it though, right there. I'm not gonna use this as a drain stopper though.
It looks tight though.
I'm gonna put this up with my little collectible toys, and I ain't gonna mess it up. And I think that's it for this one. Yeah, I think. Oh, you know what? Look, they got a. Oh, they got a.
I don't know what that is.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this is a patch.
Maybe it's from like a shell or something.
Probably. I have no idea. But yeah, that's. I mean, it's cool, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm not gonna use it. But alright, well, thanks for watching this episode of Loot Crate. This is my little brother Nathan Sanchez. If you want to follow him on YouTube or Twitter, he has none of that stuff.
Anything.
He's still a loner. He's a loser, so don't worry about it. If you want to subscribe to me, you know we'll be here opening these Loot Crates. Hopefully having some more, and they come here on time. But anyways, like, subscribe. See you in the next episode.